So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can turn off Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. So Apple started rolling out Apple Intelligence with the latest iOS 18.1 update. Users can manually enable or disable the Apple Intelligence from the Settings app. In case if you don't want to use Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, then you have the option to disable it whenever you want to. Let me show you how. So first of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down. Here, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, disable the toggle next to Apple Intelligence. After this, tap on Turn off Apple Intelligence. Now go back to home screen. Now this will disable Apple Intelligence from your iPhone. To re-enable it, turn on this toggle. So this is how you can turn off Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.